If you're a musician and you want a professional website without hiring a developer, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a musician site on Squarespace step by step so you can create a clean, modern website that showcases your music, your brand, and your upcoming shows. We'll cover choosing the right template, adding an intro section, uploading your audio tracks, linking your streaming platforms, and even embedding your tour dates with Bandsintown. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to squarespace.com and click Login or Get Started. If you already have an account, log in and open your dashboard. If you're brand new, you can start the sign-up process from there. Once you're inside, click Create Website. Squarespace will show you different template categories, and for a musician site, you want to look for music or something similar that fits a creative portfolio or band website. Take your time here, because the design you choose will shape the overall look and feel of your site. Once you find a design you like, click Start with this design. Now your website is ready for editing. On the left side menu, click Website, then click Pages. This is where you can manage the structure of your site and choose which page you want to edit first. Start with your home page, because that's usually the first impression visitors get. Select your home page, then click Edit in the top left corner to open the page editor. Now we're going to build the home page section by section. At the top of the page, click Add Section. From the section options, choose Intro. This is where you want to make a strong first impression. Add a large photo of yourself or your band so visitors immediately know who you are. Then add a headline like New Album Out Now, Upcoming Tour Dates, or anything that matches your current promotion. Keep it bold, clear, and easy to understand. Next, let's add your music directly to the page. Click Add Block, then choose Audio. Drag the audio block into the position you want on the page. This is a great way to let visitors hear your sound right away without leaving the site. Once the block is in place, double-click the audio block. Then click Upload File to add your MP3 track. After the file uploads, your visitors will be able to play it directly on the page. If you want the audio player to match your brand better, click the Design tab inside the audio block. From there, you can choose a layout style like Classic or Minimal. Pick the one that fits your aesthetic best. If your style is clean and modern, minimal can work really well. If you want something a little more traditional and easy to spot, Classic is a solid option. Now let's connect your social and streaming platforms. Click Add Block again, then select Social Links. Add your artist URLs for Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, or any other platforms where people can listen to your music and follow you. This is important because it gives visitors a quick path to stream your tracks and connect with you beyond the website. Make sure the links are accurate and up to date. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top left corner. Saving often is a smart habit, especially when you're building your site step by step. Now let's add tour information. Go to your tour page, or if you want, you can add this to a section on your homepage. Click Edit on that page or section, then click Add Block and choose Bandsintown. This is one of the easiest ways to display your live show schedule automatically. Double-click the block, type your exact Bandsintown artist name, and press Enter. Once connected, your upcoming tour dates and ticket buttons will instantly load on the page. That means your fans can see where you're playing next and buy tickets without you manually updating every show. And that's it. You've now built the core of a musician site on Squarespace. You've got a strong homepage, your audio tracks are featured, your social and streaming links are connected, and your live shows are displayed for fans to find easily. From here, you can keep expanding your site with an About page, merch links, contact information, and more. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.